Hello, engineers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And this is me, Shivam Yadav, showing you a leveling automation website that I created just a day before. So here it is something we can do leveling calculation automate. Okay, so we got two methods to automate. HI method and rise fall method. Okay, so first thing we should do is select the method type of method we gonna automate. Okay, so for example, I make it rise fall method. Okay, and we need to mention the or give the benchmark of first reading. Okay, so I give this much, and after that you have to enter the staff readings in comma separated form. Okay, so I give this, and after that you have to give the change points, where the station or total station got changed. Okay, so let me let I keep this. Okay, and after that you need to click on calculate, and our calculation is done perfectly, and we got the result table where we got the RL of all the stations, remarks whether it is change point or last FS or its benchmark, and we got station like BM P2 point 2 point 3 change point 1 change point 2 like this, and we got all the BS IS FS rise fall. Okay, here, and we also got the RL, and we can also here you can also pin the column. you know you are allowed to pin the column, or you can just make it in ascending order too. Yeah, like you can also make it in ascending or descending order, and lots of filter like this way. Okay, also got a format. So this is a website I created just day before to automate this leveling automation, and this might really help save lots of time in small and medium average sites, construction sites. So this would be helpful in civil engineering and other engineering too. So if you want to get the site link is something like you can see there, leveling.streamlit.app. I will keep in comment, and I will keep the link in comment and description so that you can visit it. Okay, and use it freely. This is all free cost, no any no any payments. Okay, just download the CSV or Excel, or do it as you can. And even if you are a student or civil engineering student, you can use this to check your calculations, or to just keep your or to save your time and work smarter. Okay, and I will be uploading lots of automation in upcoming days on this channel, so please subscribe our channel and just get updated and work smarter and better. Okay, have a good day.